Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Bluetooth your phone to a Ford Fusion. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn on your phone's Bluetooth setting, making it discoverable. Next, access the sync system menu on your car's display. You'll navigate through the settings to find the phone option. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Once in the phone menu, select Add Device on the sync screen. Your Ford Fusion will then prompt you to search for sync on your phone. On your phone, select sync from the Bluetooth list. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your car's screen and your phone. Confirm these numbers match. Finally, allow access for contacts and messages to fully integrate your device. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy various Bluetooth features. Make hands-free calls using voice commands or the sync system, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream audio, like music or podcasts, directly from your phone through the car's speakers. Manage calls, redial numbers, and control your music playback conveniently through sync. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and the sync system. Sometimes, simply turning them off and on again resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting old, unused devices from your sync memory to free up space and improve performance. If problems persist, check for sync software updates or consult your owner's manual. And speaking of fresh starts, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a great scent. Check the description for a link to this and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.